Now that you've logged in, you'll be able to see your punches, punch, and see your reports. So, first, when you need to punch, you will click on the little hand on your left bottom side and clock now. When you need to see your punches, you'll see all the approved punches, pending punches, and you can filter the status if it's pending, approved, denied, cancel, or invalid. Here, you can also request for a punch adjustment. So you click on punch adjustment, request the date, time, category, and the location. You also need to select the reason and confirm. Your supervisor will receive your request for punch adjustment and he will either approve or deny. Very important. Inside the Oitchau system, you will not request for absences and vacations. You will only ask for absence and vacation inside the Workday system.